Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning both assemblers so inserters can reach both chests. This reduces rotation and travel time. Once placed, load the primary assembler with the base recipe and the secondary with the complementary recipe so outputs chain. Make sure power is stable and conveyors feed materials directly. This prevents buffer starvation. You're doing this to let the dual system share workload and reduce cycle delay, so you can increase throughput without wasting components. Once the basics run, balance inputs with splitters so each assembler gets steady material. Uneven flow kills efficiency. Make sure inserters nearest the bottleneck run faster or have priority settings to pull critical parts first, because timing determines output rhythm. Add a 1 or 2 slot buffer chest between conveyors and assemblers to absorb spikes and keep machines busy. You do this to prevent idle time and to let the dual setup reach a consistent higher production rate. To finish, run the line under normal load and tune splitter ratios by small increments. Subtle changes fix imbalances without destabilizing the system. If you see jams or backup belts, add an overflow lane or swap in faster inserters to clear the queue quickly. This cures most throughput issues. Keep spare parts on hand so you can replace a faulty inserter or belt on the fly. A key troubleshooting tip: if outputs stall, trace from power to inserter. Most problems hide in either supply or pickup timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.